Hey guys, what's up? It's me.
Oh, don't do that.
Welcome to my channel. My name's Alicia. Like I said, so if you can't tell, we are back at it again.
And it's mine.
On the motorcycle. It is my sister, but she's letting us use it for a video. Say hi.
Bye.
Okay, so basically, we're going to be doing the last to leave the Vespa
Slash motorcycle.
wins. And I'm not going to tell you what the prize is just yet.
What is it?
Tell you. So, yeah, let's
We're
get
gonna-
started. So, oh my god. We are just going to be hanging on here. She is going to be the driver for today.
Or we can switch somehow.
So yeah, we don't get any survival.
Wait, so how do I get? Oh, I
You
know.
stay on the Vespa.
No, we can go in there in the garage and there's stuff.
So
It's basically like floor's lava. Like if you want to go in another vehicle, you
No, you
can.
can't. We'll see you in a few minutes.
I just remembered.
Whoa! Where'd you get that? Looks like we're sharing. She has backup water. Okay. Backup water.
I can't hold this.
I'll hold it since I'm in the back.
We should have opened the seat, but
Start driving.
ow, that was in my face.
The
The face.
This is so awesome, guys. Make sure if you guys have this, you are safe and have parental supervision. We do, again.
No, I'm a professional driver slash a taxi, so I know what I'm doing. We're gonna pause.
So, it's been an hour.
I need some wood.
We're still driving on here. It's really crazy. It's pretty comfortable. I don't know if we'll be able to survive the night without any food. We only have water, but you don't really
Well, it depends. You might not even
survive.
Yeah, the night.
So,
Ready? Set.
yeah, we'll see you in a bit. Alright guys, so V is getting really tired and I want to drive with it, so we're going to try to switch.
How are you?
So, we need to like stand or something.
No. You move up.
I know what I'm doing. Make sure you don't hit the floor. She's bouncing so hard. Oh my god, my foot almost touched the floor. This is hardcore balance. Whoa! That's some really hard stuff.
Move up. I don't have
to do. I don't have any space anymore. That's some really hard stuff to do.
Bye.
She had one foot. See ya.
So it's been 2 hours and we're still riding. And yeah, so I'll keep you guys
really
updated. Stop. I need to pause it. Oh.
Alright guys, so my hand is getting really tired. Do you want to switch?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm going to try to keep this foot on, swing it back. Guys, my foot is literally still on.
And your other foot.
Wow, I can't. That's really hard.
So shall we pick up the winner? Let's not ditch it.
So, yeah, it's been like 3 hours. We're still on here. Are you hungry? We almost finished our water.
Oh, wow.
It's getting pretty
I've
tired.
been drinking most of it.
We'll see you in an hour. Okay. So, we've been driving. And, yeah, I'm getting hungry. Whoa! Okay, stop slowing down.
So on.
No. Guys, if you didn't see that, my sister lost balance while driving and fell off. Are you okay? We're probably going to go get an ice pack. But I won the prize, and guess what?
What is it?
The prize was to get the Vespa for 24 hours.
No, you can't. It's mine.
So, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and become part of the Let's Get Squad by turning on your post notifications
It's
and
mine,
subscribing
so.
it. I'll see you all next time. Bye!